scan the image for you.
Yeah.
See how quickly it comes up? Very, very quickly. Do documents as well, receipts, whatever you want. Okay.
Great.
It'll do by legal size.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to say that we're going to save it.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
Go to the library. That's it.
exactly the photo library, and there
Wow.
it is. Now you're doing three things.
Yeah.
Okay, the first thing is obviously you're scanning in the image, which is obvious. The second part, though, is when it's off, it can charge the iPad.
Okay.
So that's
great.
good. Okay.
It's a kind of
But-
dock.
Yeah, but look at the third.
Yeah.
And I think no sizzle, but a piece that you can tell and understand. You've been doing other things, right? Did you have to hold the iPod at all?
Yeah.
No. It was a docking station, right?
It is.
Yeah, so you could work for hours. You could be in a cafe. You know,
Yeah.
you love your cafes.
Yeah.
You sit, and you could be at Hippos or one of those places too, and you could do work for hours.
Oh.
And you scan in anything you want. You do scan in your receipt. Go to other applications, watch a movie, whatever you want. You know, be in the park across from the Louvre.
Yeah.
So.
And you
And
can fix here.
Yes, here we.
Okay, you can fix here.
You can fix the size
Yeah.
because it'll do a legal size document as well.
Really good thing.